What up, YouTube? Tamanji's all the way over there where you're probably not going to see my face, or probably Tamanji's face for a little while, so you know. Get him, Tamanji! Get him, T!
I gonna win.
Probably. He lost. He won that time. Ah! That counts! Yeah, it does! As long as it gets in this yard, it counts. Okay, T. Okay, this is how we're playing this round. You landed right here. You have to grab it, and you have to go backwards and sling it backwards. And that tells you how far you went. Tamanji, come here. You can throw it from right. You can throw the glove from right here, and it tells you how far you went. That means that's how far it rolled. That, you know, I'll just throw it for you, okay?
No.
Do you want to throw it? Jesus Christ. Ugh. Thank God I didn't hit that button. Crap. Does that count?
Yeah.
Now put your glove down.
What?
Put your glove down.
I think we get baseball.
Go get a baseball. You hit it.
Alright. Yeah, if you can catch this one.
So I'm going to throw this. Alright. By the way, I'm going to win. The baseball is all the way down there. So this glove I have to put down here. What? Right there. I'll do it from all the way right there, all the way down there. Come on! Before it ends! Yeah, 1 round. This man can't hit, by the way. See his strikeout. I won. So it'll be right there.